I am Soumya Dole, team leader of NextGen 25. Our problem statement is blockchain-based supply chain transparency for agricultural produce. And our project name is AgriChain. This project is made for Smart India Hackathon 2025. AgriChain is a solution to bring trust, transparency, and fairness in the agricultural supply chain. So, before directly jumping into the solution, let's see what actually the problem is. In farming, today, farmers often do not get fair prices for their crops. Middlemen sometimes change the grade or quality certificate. Because of this, farmer lose income. On the other hand, consumers are also not sure about the quality, origin, or freshness of what they buy. So both farmers and consumers face losses and doubts. This is why solving this problem is important. Now let's move to our proposed solution. Our proposed solution is AgriChain, a mobile and web-based system that uses AI and blockchain. It allows farmers, cooperatives, retailers, consumers, and admins to use their own dashboards. The system records farm data, grades crops with AI, gives digital certificate, and stores everything safely on blockchain. This way the data cannot be changed and everyone can trust the information. Now AgriChain directly solves the issue of mistrust. Farmer gets AI-based grading and fair price suggestion. Certificates are given by testing agencies, so cheating is reduced. Consumers can scan QR codes to know real details of the product. Retailers can track transport and storage conditions. And admin can detect fraud and solve disputes, so the whole supply chain becomes transparent and fair. So now our solution is unique because of these following features. First is dual validation. Like crops are checked twice, first by AI and then by cooperative or testing agency if AI classification goes wrong. Then the secure digital identity. We are using QR codes, NFC tags, and OTP. Then comes the smart price prediction. Our AI model suggests fair prices based on the market data. Then automatic fraud detection. Alerts are generated if data is mismatched. And also low cost blockchain. We use Hyperledger Fabric, which can also connect to public blockchain for extra trust. These points make AgriChain both innovative and practical. Now let's move toward our system workflow. So let me explain the workflow step by step. First, farmer uploads crop photo and location. Then AI model grades the crop. And then testing agency verifies the grade and issues a certificate. A batch ID with QR or NFC is created. The record is stored on blockchain, so it cannot be changed. At the store, consumer scans QR or NFC and sees the whole journey, farm to shop, including grade, freshness, and origin. This flow ensures trust and transparency. So in this way, our complete system workflow is done, and we will also understand this in our prototype. Now let's move toward feasibility analysis. We made sure this system is farmer friendly and practical. For farmers, easy design, local language support, offline first mode, and training programs. And for scalability, blockchain ensures data safety while keeping costs low. For real world use, simple QR or NFC scanning makes it easy for consumers. This makes AgriChain possible to use in villages as well as in cities. Now, we face some challenges and solve them like this. First is farmer adoption, solved with training and offline support. Then is fraud. We solved using dynamic QR codes, cross checks between AI and agency, as mentioned before, and human audits. Then disputes. We are handling this using smart contracts for quick resolution. Then weather and internet issues. Offline first design helps in low connectivity areas. So our solution is strong and reliable. Now we have also made our rough prototype. So we will see it in last. Then let's move toward impact and benefits. So AgriChain has clear benefits for everyone. First, for farmers, they get fair prices and verified grading. Then for consumers, get trust and full details about products. For retailers, can easily track and maintain quality. And admin can detect fraud and handle dispute quickly. So the dashboards are made in a very simple way so every user can understand and use them. And we have also added the images of dashboard of particular layer. Then we researched existing problems in agriculture supply chain and studied how blockchain is already being used in some industries. We also looked at reports on farmer income, loss, and consumer trust issues. Based on this, we created AgriChain to solve the specific challenges in Indian farming. Okay guys, now let us see the prototype. We have added the working demo link in our submission. I will now open and show you each dashboard one by one. Okay, so this is our link. Okay, so this is our prototype. So now let's start with farmer dashboard. So here it is asking to no. So here it is asking to select crop type. For example, we selected chilies. No, we selected for example tomato. Okay, and then quantity we took 10 kgs. Then harvest date, let us take it as today's date. Okay, now upload images. So in images, let's select these images. Okay, so now three images are selected. So now let us submit for analysis. Now our AI model is analyzing. Okay, so now it has analyzed it. So here we can see our AI had analyzed results. So it's giving color check 95%, size 92%, and damage 3%. Okay, so farmer. Now let's move to our next dashboard. We can switch through it, and also we have language support here, plus profile settings, and also notification bar. Now let's move to our next dashboard, that is corporate. So see here, chilies AI graded. So also if you want to check something else, he can paste the batch verification here. For example, if we took chilies, then farmer, quantity, harvest. This is the old one. So as a cooperative agent, I can do the lab test and then add that moisture was example 12.5, etc. Then protein present in the soil or in the product, defects, then official grade. If I am giving official grade B and then A also grade B, then I will do generate certificate save draft. So this will generate it. Then let's move to the retailer dashboard. So the work of retailer dashboard. So retailer dashboard will also paste the transaction ID here, and it changes for all the times. Okay. So let's see here for tomatoes. So he gets the origin, quantity, harvest, AI graded, official graded, freshness, status, transport history, farmer, all the details. So then, and also the price, recommended price. So then if we want to negotiate, if we want to take it at 40, so he will do it and he will negotiate, and then it will go again to the farmer for negotiation. If he want to accept this direct, he can accept from here. If he want to reject, he can reject. And let's move next towards consumer dashboard. Consumer dashboard is very simple. It consists of the when a customer will go in shop, he will scan this QR of a particular product or enter its batch ID and will get all the details like were given in previous, like its purity check, fairness, price, expected price, and the price at what shopkeeper is selling, etc. Plus origin and all. And then is admin dashboard. Admin dashboard is just for controlling it. So it has a system overview and audit controls like total batches, active farmers, average total score, etc. And see here we can see like for tomatoes, grade A anchored, how many batches are verified, pending, flagged, etc. Also daily batch activity, grade distribution, trust score trend, etc. And here we can see also the details of the blockchain network are mentioned here, average gas fee, and so this is our complete prototype. Then, in conclusion, AgriChain is a simple but powerful system. It gives fair prices to farmers, builds trust for consumers, and creates transparent supply chain with AI and blockchain. Okay, so thank you. This is our project for Smart India Hackathon 2025, and thank you for watching.